Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to charge a Ford Mustang Mach-E. Begin by locating and opening the charge port on the left rear quarter panel. Park on level ground and turn the vehicle off before connecting. For home charging, use a dedicated 240 V EVs and follow the manufacturer's plug and power instructions. For public charging, select a compatible station, connect the CCS1 connector firmly, and start charging from the vehicle screen or app. Choose the charging option that matches your schedule and driving needs. Level 1 is slow, but works with a standard outlet for occasional use and overnight top-ups. Level 2 is ideal for daily charging with a dedicated 240 V EVs installed at home or public stations. DC fast charging adds range quickly on road trips, but frequent use may affect battery thermal management, so balance convenience and battery care. A few simple habits make charging safer and more reliable. Inspect cables and connectors before use to prevent damage or electrical faults. Use the vehicle screen or app to monitor charge progress and check estimated completion times so you plan departures confidently. Avoid forcing plugs and keep ports clean and dry to maintain good connections. If you notice unusual heat or errors, stop charging and consult service guidance immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.